Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 is making an awful noise and losing suction, you are experiencing a common issue that can stem from a variety of causes, such as a clogged filter or a faulty motor. If left unaddressed, this problem can lead to further damage, making repairs more costly and complicated. To fix the Dyson V11, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, replacement motor, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your device is switched off and disconnected from the charger. To open the Dyson V11 safely, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the device. Be gentle while prying open the casing to avoid damaging any clips. Once open, you will need to locate the motor assembly, which is usually found near the base of the device. Check for any signs of wear or damage. If you identify that the motor is the culprit, carefully disconnect the wires attached to it using your flathead screwdriver, ensuring you note their positions for reassembly. Then, remove any screws securing the motor in place with your Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious and apply gentle pressure to avoid stripping the screws. Once the motor is loose, gently pull it out of the assembly. Now, take your replacement motor and insert it into the same position, making sure it sits snugly. Reattach the screws and reconnect the wires to the corresponding terminals, ensuring they are secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the motor, it's time to close the casing. Align the clips and gently press them together until they click into place. Finally, test the device by switching it on and checking for any unusual noises and ensuring suction is restored. To prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to regularly clean and replace the filters as needed, and avoid vacuuming up large debris that can damage the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.